All right, I always get the same question every day, and it's a really good question. It's how to get leads, free leads, fresh leads, targeted leads. And I'm talking about LiveGood, people that are into health, wellness, fitness, training, multi-level marketing, make money at home. It's all good because this company, it targets every single one of those categories, okay? So anyway, I use artificial intelligence. And if you're watching this video before June 8th of 2023, you can get it for $19 for 30 days. After that, it'll be $49.99. It might be cheaper, more. They usually give out promo codes, but right now, as I hurry and make this video, it's only $19 for 30 days, which I suggest go crazy for 30 days and get thousands and thousands of leads. I've got over 11,500 just in one of my accounts. I can't use that many because I contact the same person at least 7 times. So I got 77,000 opportunities to get some people into LiveGood that I've targeted that really complement what this company is. So anyway, if you're interested in Nowsite, look below this video, click that link. You're going to put promo code 19 when you go to checkout, only the monthly unlimited plan. You've got to get unlimited, and it's got to be monthly, not yearly. Okay? So anyway, let me just show you what I do. And I love this. And if you have Nowsite already, you know how cool. Okay, this is Nowsite. Okay, so if you have a membership to this, you're just going to put in your username and your password, and then you go down to contacts. See right here, 1, 2, 3 down. You just click right there, and you can see there's just, this is the detail that you get. I mean, email, phone, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. This is a real person, okay? This isn't a bot. Okay, now we're going to go to the top. And do you see this lady here in the orange sweater? You're going to scroll down where it says Edit Search Criteria. You're going to click that. And then right here where it says City, State, Country, let's just search in Canada. Okay, I'm in America. Let's just go up north and find someone that might be a good fit for LiveGood up in Canada. Okay, gender, both male and female. Okay, job title, I don't care. Company, industry, education, age. Don't worry about any of this. Right, preferred contact method, you can put email, but see, all of it comes no matter what. But if you do go ahead and put email, it'll make sure at least it has an email. And we're only looking for Gmail, by the way. So anyway, here's the important part. Interest and skills. Well, right now I want a network marketer, not marketing. I want a marketer because they probably are still marketing. I want someone into health and fitness because we have really good products that are health and fitness oriented. I want someone in multi-level marketing. They are a multi-level marketer because they're going to know LiveGood in the first 10 seconds. I don't care if they work for Herbalife, USANA, home business. All right, because this is a business you can work from home. And if you're into health and fitness and multi-level marketing, and if you have experience with USANA and Herbalife, you're going to know LiveGood within 5 seconds, not 10. Okay, now let's scroll to the bottom left of the screen. See the purple Get Prospect and Launch? You're going to click it. Now let's just get a contact. Takes about 5 seconds for the artificial intelligence to go up to Canada and just find certain people that might fit my criteria. Okay, here's Jerry Chen. All right, he's male, adventurous, pioneering, social. Now see at the bottom it says View Contact. Okay, just click it. Now look at this, opens up his whole contact information. There's his Facebook page, Twitter, LinkedIn, phone number, even email. Okay, and higher education. He lives in Vancouver. Let's see, he's and this is his interest. You know, he's very athletic, tennis, hockey. He's into health. Well, so is LiveGood. Financial investments. I mean, I think that it's a very good financial opportunity, this company. Leadership's good because if you join LiveGood and you're somewhat of a leader type, it helps your downline. That means you're going to see how everyone's doing, maybe give them some good advice or links to something that might help them. But if you look right here, he's definitely a leader. Workforce planning. He hires. He interviews. All right. He's into training, personal management, human resources, employee. I mean, he's obviously a business guy, and would he be interested in a health and wellness program? I mean, his skills are definitely there, and his interests are all athletic and really good for Live Good, because mine are. Almost everyone, everything he's into, I am too. So is he a good opportunity? Maybe. It's up to you. You just got to look at every single person. Now, let's just go back to the button again. Let's press the purple button again. Okay, let's get someone else up in Canada. And what I do is I go through each one at a time, because they're a person I'm emailing. And eventually probably going to Facebook and say, hey, I got something for you to watch. Okay, so it usually takes about 5 to 6 seconds. I'm uploading and downloading a whole bunch of video right now, so my computer's a little slower. Okay, Amy Stevenson. She is a lady. She's careful, consistent, modest. All right, right now I'm going to click the view and then see where it pops up. Okay, now see right here, this is important. Do you see where Amy, by default, this is her business email? We are not emailing that. See where it says additional email? Boom. Amy Stevens. Guess what? You know that's her personal Gmail email. And if you email her a friendly message that says, hey, it looks like we have something in common because you're into health, well, so's Live Good and so am I. She loves marketing, communications, media, entertainment, event management, public speaking, public arrangement. But anyway, if you want to send her a simple message that just talks about watching a 5-minute video, all right, that's it. Now, by mid-June, do you see where this default email is a business one? I'm told through a little birdie that Nowsite is going to have a button where you can make the Gmail address by default. So you don't have to go in and copy and paste this, because this is a pain in the butt. You're like, oh, great. Because see, if you just go ahead and email Amy, it's going to go to this one first under the profile information. So how nice is it in a week or two when all the email is going to be Gmail? All right? Because Nowsite is configured with your Gmail account. And Gmail to Gmail is the same server, so your chance of it going to them is good. It might go in spam now and then, but right now, Gmail to Gmail is really opportune. That's really awesome. And I'm so glad that Nowsite's doing it. So anyway, that's what I do. I go back and forth about 300-400 times. I know it sounds like a long time, but in 1 hour, maybe hour and a half, I can easily get 300. I just go back, forth, back, forth, back, forth. And just do it one at a time, because these are people, folks. Don't be automated. Don't think you're just going to click buttons and find all these people and you're going to be rich in 10 minutes. You gotta look at these people. You don't want to bug them if they have nothing in common. Okay? This person right here, it's Rick. He does have an email, but it's a company one, and he doesn't have really anything, but he is into fitness. But since he doesn't have a Gmail account, I'll never Gmail him. And he does have a Facebook page. I might go, hey, Rick, it looks like you're into fitness and hockey. Maybe you can look into this opportunity. But right now, he's about a 6 out of 10. And then I just go back, and then I hit the purple button again. And you can see I've looked at about 4 or 5 people. And, you can easily look at 2 people, 3 people a minute, because you get really good at just looking at their profile. But see right there, view contact. Just hit that. Always look for a Gmail. And if they have a Gmail, then go ahead and email them. But if they don't, then go to Facebook. Facebook is definitely going to be more effective, in my opinion, than email. But email's awesome too. So anyway, this person does not have a Gmail, so don't even think about emailing this person. You're going to Facebook them. Okay? Let's go back and forth. And I'll just do one more and I'll end the video. I like to keep this under 10 minutes. But anyway, if you get Nowsite Technology, get it for $19 and go crazy. Get thousands and thousands over the next 30 days. Why, it's on special. Okay, so this guy right here, Brian, see, he's got a Gmail. So do I want to Gmail him? Okay, well, let's look. All right, let's see. He likes training. He likes hiking. All right, he's into arts and culture. Okay, those are interests, but then skills. Let's see, he's into direct sales, call centers, team building. He's into training. Let's see, he's into leadership. He's into recruiting. I mean, obviously, this business is somewhat of a recruiting business, wouldn't you say? Cold calling's tough. I can't do that, but boy, if he can, he'll definitely be very successful in this business, in my opinion, of course. So anyway, I'll go ahead and probably save his Gmail and go, hey, Brian, it looks like we have some things in common here. Take a look at this video. And you know what? If there's no response or nothing goes through, then I'll probably just go on Facebook and go, hey, this is Corey again. Here's a link. Let me know. And on Facebook, they usually get right back to you and go, oh, no, I'm not interested. Thanks, bud. No harm, no foul. Because I can see what his interests are. I know what LiveGood is and who I am. And person to person. That's how I look at it. I'm not barging in and going crazy with an opportunity to get his carpets cleaned. You know, this person, I get as much familiarity with LiveGood as I can with their interest and skills. And that's the best you can do. Out of 5,000 emails sent, I've only had 62 as of today that have unsubscribed. That's massively awesome. That means that most people are like, nope, I just opt out. No, thanks. They did not unsubscribe. They just, that's where they block you out and say, no, I don't want any more stuff like this. So it's pretty cool. But that's what I do all day. I get like 2, 3, sometimes I'll put on some music and I'll just get like 300 or 400 a day. And like I said, out of those 400, you got to contact them 5 to 7 times, folks. Please don't just like email once and then throw them away. And don't even try not to Facebook them. I mean, you got Twitter and LinkedIn. You've got their cell numbers and Messenger. All of this, you can contact them in a nice, humble way, just asking them to watch a short video. And if they say no thanks, then that's it. You delete the contact and you never get a hold of them again. But if you don't get a response or something, go ahead and say, hey, this is Corey again. Would you like to look at this one more time? But sometimes I got to contact people probably 5 to 7 times, and then they join. That's very common in this business. So don't think that you just email once and they don't get a hold of you and you just go, that sucks. This don't work. It's a numbers game. Anyone will tell you it's a numbers game, and you'll do good. All right. So if you're watching this video and it's before June 8th of 2023, put in promo code 19 to the unlimited. You got to slide the thing to monthly. Don't keep it on yearly. There's a little white button in the middle. Slide it to monthly, unlimited, promo code 19, $19 for 30 days. If it's after June 8th, try promo code 49, because sometimes they'll get a hold of me and go, use promo code 49. So that'll get it to you for $49. But all you can do is try the best you can. Hopefully you'll see this video before June 8th of 2023, and you can at least get it for $19 and go crazy. Get thousands and thousands and thousands of contacts, and then take a month and just email and Facebook people one at a time and sit back, and you'll be surprised at the pre-enrollees and some signups that you might get. I got to do a disclaimer. I can't promise anything, but the odds are pretty darn good that if you do it every day, so you go fishing every day, what are your odds of catching a fish? Especially when you go to a pond where you know that there's fish. Pretty good, isn't it? So, all right, anyway, if you're interested in joining LiveGood or Nowsite, the links are right below my video here. So, okay, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next video.